Good morning, students. Till now, we have already covered the concept, objectives, definitions, and nature, importance of the sales management. Today, in the subjects sales and distribution management, specialization of the financial subject, yes, marketing subject. Today we will discuss about the growing challenges of the sales and distribution management in marketing. Okay, so what are the growing challenges of sales and distribution management in marketing? Students, listen here. Nowadays, the business is full of risk. Itself, the business is a challenge. The people, those who are working, those who are associate in the business, they also have to face the challenge. Starting from the worker to that of the manufacturer or whoever may be in the business organizations. So in my concept, I have to say that sales and distribution is one of the major category or function of the marketing or in the business organization. And here there are so many problems or there are so many challenges are associated in this field. No doubt you will not consistent in that problem, but if you will have a knowledge or if you have some idea in our mind, positive thoughts in our mind, then obviously we'll away from that of the or we'll face the challenge or away from that of the risk. So today we will discuss about the topic related to that of the challenges the people who are associated in sales as well as also in the distribution functions. So first of all, I will go through what are the challenges the people they are facing in the sales process. Okay, so challenges to sales process, or we can say that is the sales peoples. First point that we have to discuss it here, getting a response from prospects. Second, closing deal. Third, prospecting good lead. Fourth, engaging multi decision maker at a company. Fifth, avoiding discounting. Sixth, connecting via the phones. 7. Incorporating social media into the sales process. My dear students, these are the 7 major problems what the sales people have to face. Challenge, it is not a risk. We may say, if you think in a concept mind, in the broad mind, we will clearly say that the challenge is not a risk. Challenge is one type of, that is, it makes your improve your efficiency in order to that is how to face that challenge. Okay? So day by day what happens, some sales peoples or the marketing teams, they have to face some challenges. However, they are overcome from that of the challenges. That is also different issues, or that is the different things. But listen here, what are the common challenges they are facing nowadays? No doubt these challenges are not stagnant forever, but that is somehow that should be removed, and the sales people should be overcome from that of the respective challenges. So first talk about what is the getting a response from the prospects. Every company, every company, they have their own prospects. Okay? Nowadays, is the technology already improved? The peoples, the customer, the end users, they are always in connection with that of the goods or with the companies through the different electronic media or the electronic tools, where they are what happen, it is very difficult for a people or sales people to, that is, represent the customers or represent to make a convince, to difficult to convince the customer. Okay? So, my students, what happen? Generally, that is, direct face-to-face talking is different from that of the going through the prospects. Okay? So, the peoples or the companies also, they are always focusing on the prospects, whereas the sales people are facing, or the marketing teams, they are facing some problems when they are going to that or near to that of the customer, and they are describing about that of the product or about the companies. One thing, not that it is we know that is about many more things, that is what happened. Today the world is full of, that is modern equipments, but we have to think about the people, those who are working here. The prospectus may not reflect all the things, but what the interaction between the sales people and the customer, the end user, it will be have great fruitful, better than the prospectus. But now the customers or the end users, they are directly reflecting to the prospectus of the companies or the prospects of the companies, which it is a major challenges to that of the sales people. So this is one point, and another point, closing deals. What happened? Companies requires high margin of profits. Sometimes the need of the importance, the requirement of the product is highly in the market. but here manufacturer is stop the production, or maybe in mind that is to close these dealings. Maybe retailers want some product, but companies due to some problems, that is it is what happened, want to stop the deals with that retailer or any salespersons, whatever may be. Then is also salesperson is also facing some problems. One thing you have to know, that is in marketing, the product is one of the major tools of the salespeople. If there is no product, means if the company is unwilling to produce the goods, or unwilling, that is, if there is a sufficient of goods, but the company is not trying to, that is dealing with that customer, it is also one of the major phase or major challenges to that of the salespeople. That salespeople may not know why the company has taken that decisions for this customer or for the retailer or wholesaler, whatever, whoever may be. But salespeople is also accepting these challenges, and they make a cooperation or the coordination between them. They are finding the lacunas, and they make their possibility of what, that is working with the deals, or that is that they remove the word of closing when they have the dealings. So that is also one thing, one of the major challenges. But you have to think it, and you have to bring an that is in what way we have to handle the situation. That is also great challenge to that of the sales people. And prospecting the good leads. Today हम सोचते हैं कि लीडर का कमी है, लीडर का कमी नहीं है, बट जनरली यस, लीडर का कमी नहीं है, बट लीडर लीडिंग करना चाहिए. लीडर प्रॉपरली मैनेज करना चाहिए अपने सबऑर्डिनेट को. अगर if any such people facing some problems, the leader should come forward in order to help the sales people who were working under him. But that is also not seen in few cases. Sometimes the leaders also taking their own benefit by making the by maintaining, that is by taking the leadership qualities. आजकल जो पूरा टोटली that is जो है ना लीडरशिप क्वालिटी होता है, बट इट मे बी नॉट कमिंग फॉरवर्ड्स. सो हमें दैट इज SLA मेथड में, दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड, सर्विस लर्निंग एग्रीमेंट जो होता है, उसके हिसाब से भी उनको ट्रेनिंग देना चाहिए, अच्छी तरह मोटिवेट करना चाहिए, उनको हेल्प करना चाहिए, ताकि दे विल बी मूव फॉरवर्ड. दैट इज आल्सो not in sometimes not in the case of the or benefit is not getting by the sales people, those who are always moving in the markets. Okay, and there must be build a customer relationship management which will be very helpful. That is also impossible in this some industries also. So whatever may be, these are, that is these few, that is these three, one of the major challenges to the sales people, those who are having in the market. Another, engaging the multi-decision makers at a company. See here, suppose you are a boss of a company, I am your sales people, I am moving in the market, you have appointed some decision maker, because I will not take any decisions. I will bound with that is rules and regulation of the company. That is not in my hand. But few decision makers which they were appointed by the company, they are whatever, they are going directly what the problems we have, without solving problems, they are going directly having the relation with the customer, and they are convincing, and they are taking their own side. Whereas that is sales people, those who are labor hard and finding in difficulties in their work, they become hopeless. Okay, and that is how, that is a severe problems to the salespeople, those who are moving, that is in the market. Okay, so that is one of the things company should think about these things. Company, that is salespeople, should make them understand they are ready to answer the question, any type of questions brought by the customer. In what way, that is customers should be influenced by the salespeople. But this is one of the major problems by the company. Okay, that is one step taken by the company, but it is a major problem to that of the sales people. And another, that is avoiding discount. What is the avoiding discount? जब एक नया कंपनी आता है ना, वो डिस्काउंट का दरिश बारिश कर देता है, हाई डिस्काउंट का बारिश कर देता है. अरे भाई, हमें सोचना चाहिए वही प्रोडक्ट, वही थिंग्स that is also available by the another company, what that person do in according the market will make it. We are not thinking about the quality, we are not thinking of the quantity, whatever may be, but we are giving high discount, and that may be it is a very riskful to the other companies, and the salespeople, those who are moving in the market, they are very facing a difficult in convincing the customer, because they will not give a discount. Because the earlier company, they are totally full stick with that things. Whereas this company is facing, that is giving large amount of the discount. You have to think it. Okay? This is one of the major problems, that is avoiding the discount, which is have to think, and we have to accept it all the process. So before we are launching the goods, before we are sending the sales team into the market, one has to understand that is what is the discounting factors, how the other companies have allowing the discount. It may be a great challenge, but you have to make it the convince to the customer that is about the product, about the quality and the quantity of the product, rather than the discount. So this is one of the another problems, and another, that is the connecting via the phones. आजकल का जमाना बहुत सारा टेक्नोलॉजी के, ये टेक्नोलॉजी का दुनिया है. The customers going through the prospects, they are direct calling to that of the company. Okay. So in these cases, there is no importance of the salespeople. So the people, they have a direct contact with the company through that is they are sending emails, through emails or through that is any whatever the channels are there. They are totally influenced by them, and they have a direct company with that direct contact and direct marketing with that company. When the salespeople is going to the market, these are unknown to them for how to convince this customer. That is also one of the major problem. That is, you have to find it and how to solve these problems. Another, incorporating social media into the sales process. आजकल का तो सोशल मीडिया का जमाना है, घर घर बैठे सब, that is they are ordering through the, that is online. Social media भी, they are also making a more concept regarding these things, जो कि हर कोने में जो मार्केट होता है उसको भी रिमूव करके, हर कोने में जो कि शोरूम वगैरह जो भी कुछ होता है उसे रिमूव करके they are directing, connecting with the peoples or that is the customers into the through the social media. They are also doing the business, and this type of problems is also directly faced to the, that is faced by the sales people. So my dear students, whatever may be, whatever be challenges with us, and what are the challenges with the sales team or the sales people, but the challenges cannot be ignored. Challenges should be acceptable, and challenges if it is acceptable, then if you work properly, gradually the work should be fully fruitful and will winner and will be the winner definitely. So never ignore these challenges. Always find out what are the things, what are the overcomes are there in avoiding the challenges to that of the what? It is the salespeople. Now, my dear students, I am going on to discuss another, that is what are the challenges to that of the distributing function. So, my dear students, after discussing to the challenges to the salespeople, let us discuss about the challenges to the distribution function. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में भी कुछ challenges फेस करना पड़ता है, because this is not in our own hand, or the peoples, those who are moving to the market, उनके हाथ में भी नहीं है. So they have to intelligently they work in order to avoid the risk or to while they were facing the challenges. First of all, listen, what is the increasing competition from the manufacturer? What it is? आजकल बहुत सारे एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए बहुत सारे कंपनी होता है, उनके बीच में जो कंपटीशन होता है ना, that is very tactfully, that is it is a create a major problem to that of the customers. ठीक टाइम पे गुड्स नहीं आ सकता है, ठीक टाइम पे डिलीवरी नहीं कर पाएंगे, वेस्टेज ऑफ गुड्स, वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम्स, all the things, because competition it is by the manufacturer. आजकल लॉजिस्टिक का एक बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम होता है. जो बड़े बड़े कंपनी होते हैं उनके पास बहुत सारा लॉजिस्टिक सिस्टम होता है, ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम होता है, एंड दे आर सेंडिंग द गुड्स टू द थ्रू आउट कवर द होल मार्केट, बट द स्मॉल बिजनेस, द स्मॉल कंसर्न्स, दे आर ऑलवेज फेसिंग ए प्रॉब्लम्स. The goods, the transports may not be available at the right time. That is also one of the great problems. and the retailers demanding the faster delivery. ये कोई गुड्स का पेयर मैंने गुड्स में प्रोडक्ट में कोई पेयर है ना, कोई दैट इज मैन्युफैक्चर डायरेक्ट, दैट इज व्हाट हैपन क्विक टाइम में, एक दिन में 2 दिन में तो प्रोडक्ट आना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. बट रिटेलर डिमांडिंग एज सुन एज द प्रोडक्ट शुड बी डिलीवर्ड सो दैट ही कैन क्रिएट द मार्केट. So in this way the retailer is overcoming from that of the what happened, bypassing the wholesaler and they are going direct to that of the manufacturer, and there is also some distribution channels is also disturbed. I mean to say that we should not cross one's limit. We should not be what happened make a hurdles to another. So that you have to keep it in our mind, because all have to earn and all have to have their life and have to maintain their own life and all have their own incomes. And all basically I have to say that they have their own functions. Okay, हम किसी के काम में that is टांग लड़ाना नहीं चाहिए. And another we have to depend on the fuel price. आजकल fuel price जितना बढ़ता है, कंपनी भी चाहता है कि that is कितना कंट्रोल करे. जो भी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का कॉस्ट अगर बढ़ता है तो फ्यूल प्राइस का बढ़ने के कारण इसके माध्यम से डायरेक्टली दे आर गोइंग टू दैट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट, एंड द कस्टमर, द सेल्स पीपल्स और द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पीपल्स, दोज हु आर इन देयर वे, दे आर आल्सो प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज प्रॉब्लम्स टू फेसिंग ए प्रॉब्लम्स इन ऑर्डर टू कन्विंस दिस थिंग्स. फ्यूल प्राइस ये गवर्नमेंट का हाथ में है या हमारा खुद का हाथ में नहीं है, या कुछ कमा देंगे, कुछ बढ़ा देंगे, कुछ भी मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. बट दैट इज आल्सो बॉर्न बाय दिस थिंग्स, द बॉर्न द प्रॉब्लम्स टू दैट ऑफ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शंस. बट यू हैव टू सी, यू हैव टू टेक द माइंड और द बेनिफिट ऑफ द कस्टमर्स इनटू द माइंड, एंड whatever may be there, we have to have an idea how to overcome from these things. One is that is the what dependence on the, that is fuel price. Another, there is vulnerability to change price. If the company is changing prices, so it is putting a direct relationship or direct impact to that of the customer. How? Changing prices, the retailer may not face to the change prices. That is the wholesaler may not be. That is a way to bring or to accept the prices. That may be also having a or creating a problems, or it is a challenge to that of the distributions, because people may not reluctant or may not willing to accept the changes. And another thing is what happened, we have to see about the workers' safety concern. It is a massive thing. The people, those who are working in the storage, there were people, those who are working in the inventory, those who are people in the production, or the suppose in the distribution cases, lot of people are there to work, and we have to, lot of functions is also there, lot of work is also there, and you have to see the what, that is the safety of the workers. It may not be that is disturb to their health or disturb to their financial conditions, whatever may be, and we should not negotiate anything, whatever may be, but you have to think it them. The workers, those who are working in here, and we have to keep in our mind how to improve their life standard or better life, or that is the better income. Okay, so all the things, because if you do not think these things, the availability of a worker will be very, very great challenge to that of the distribution section. That is also one of the main things. And another, what when the retailer and the supplier and the retailer consolidation. See, one of the major problems here. The suppliers, they have directly contact to the retailer, and the middleman service totally breakdowns. Totally, that is cut off the chains. In order to gain the market, we are doing these things. But how, as a concept, we have to maintain, we have forgot these things. That is, two or more people are in between the chain. That you have to think it. You should not, that is, we should not be ahead, or we should not cross that another functions. We should not interfere with the another functions. We should not, that is, go beyond that of the another levels. Or those who persons who are associated in these things, they have to maintain the channel of distribution. So that you know, when you are discussing, or when you know that what are channel of distribution, we have to maintain the limit or the but that is features, or that is we can say that is maintain the guidelines what you have followed to this all the things, so that we should maintain a proper relationship. Otherwise, the relationship will break down and we will face many challenges in distributing the things. And another, centralize the buying for the large customers. आजकल एक देना कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है. सपोज मैं घर घर जाकर सबको प्रोडक्ट देना कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है. अगर इकट्ठा करके मैं एक दे दूंगा प्रोडक्ट सबको वहीं पे एक प्लेस में दे दूंगा, कितना इजी होता है. मार्केट मैन्युफैक्चरर मैंने क्या करता है, दैट इज चाहते कि किस तरह के में एक प्रोडक्ट जो अपने प्रोडक्ट को दैट इज टोटली सेंट्रलाइज करके पूरा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं ताकि इजीली हो सकते हैं. इसलिए डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स आर बेनिफिट. बट आजकल ये भी दिक्कत होता है कॉस्ट कंट्रोल के लिए या कॉस्ट बेनिफिट के लिए बहुत ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को हटा देते हैं. रीजनल मार्केट क्रिएट किया जाता है और वहीं से सब कुछ लेना पड़ता है. और ये करने से बेहतर होता है, बट दे आर नॉट डूइंग दिस थिंग्स, बट दे आर ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू द सेंट्रलाइज द लार्ज कस्टमर. कितना भी कस्टमर आए तो उतना अच्छा है और जितना प्रोडक्ट सेल होता है. बट दैट इज ऑल्सो creating a lot of problems to that of the middleman services. Okay, so my dear students, these are the things which we have discussed regarding the challenges faced by the salespeople as well as by the distribution functions in the marketing management. So no doubt we will not stick to the challenges always. The challenges is on the our own way, but we have to handle the challenge and to overcome from the challenge and to go ahead for the benefit of the company as well as for the benefit of the sales people or the distribution people. Okay, next classes will discuss about the personal selling and many more things. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you.